Uncertainty has no place in a productive lab. So to keep data systems running at their peak, we introduce Status Board for OpenLab. Monitor your system composition to ensure peak performance, and use real-time data to ensure your system is always ready for your next sample. Track system performance to identify trends and bottlenecks, and ensure your system meets the demands of your team. Stay aware of system status with warnings that help you prevent issues, and succinct error messages that help you get back up and running quickly. And if you need it, these tools allow you to experience unparalleled support for your entire enterprise. To learn more about Status Board for OpenLab, visit us at agilent.com today.